Now, legal analyst Danny Cevallos joins us with more on this. Danny, good morning. So we just heard a lot of this there directly from the governor in that interview with Jacob, but Governor Newsom called Trump's National Guard order illegal. He called it unconstitutional. Tell us, what is the truth here? How much force can a president legally use in this situation? Who calls the shots?
First, historically, it's very rare for the president to federalize National Guard troops in a situation like this. Often we talk about a law called the Posse Comitatus Act. In other words, it's a law that means that generally National Guard troops or U.S. military should not be operating in civilian context. But the reality is that law is actually quite limited, and the Insurrection Act expressly can override that if there are one of three situations, one of which is a state insurrection. The president can essentially take over National Guard troops. In fact, he can take over the entire military, including the Space Force, although it's hard to imagine how the Space Force would have anything to do with a state insurrection. The Insurrection Act allows the president to use all of the armed forces, including the National Guard, to send them to those areas where there is something that is considered a state insurrection. So the president does have power in this area. The historical reality is he's virtually never used it.
Let's talk about this threat of arresting these local leaders. And we heard Newsom there himself say, arrest me, get it over with. Is that legal? Could the border czar call for that to happen? Could the president call for that to happen?
In theory, I mean, if you have a situation where you're alleging that an official is violating federal law, in theory, you could arrest and prosecute them, although you run into a lot of political defenses for, say, a governor who says he's executing state law or trying to enforce the law or has governmental immunity, which would be like sovereign immunity, the same thing the Supreme Court said about presidents just in the last year. So it would be a problematic prosecution, but in theory, it's possible.
Could the president send in the National Guard from another state?
Once an insurrection is declared under the Insurrection Act, the president, in theory, could send in the Marines. As I said before, he could send in the Space Force. So it stands to reason, I believe, that he could send the National Guard in from another state if he correctly invokes the power of the Insurrection Act.
Protesting, demonstrating, that's a constitutional right. Where, though, is there a line from something that is legal to an illegal gathering?
It's funny. I've defended rioters in riot cases, and there is something of a gray area. But look, the bottom line is anything that's violence, threatening, any of the traditional things that take ordinary free speech, for which there is a constitutional protection, into the realm of crime. And free speech, the First Amendment, is not absolute. There are many, many, many exceptions, and we do criminalize certain kinds of speech. We also criminalize conduct when it passes beyond speech into danger. Those images you're seeing right there, none of that's protected speech. Setting Waymo cars on fire, not protected speech. Firing fireworks at officers, not protected speech. Violence has never been protected speech. Speech about violence is protected. Violence itself is not.